So, Salesforce has dashboards. They have ways that you can visualize information. But how can we help you know, what is the work that you need to do today?
A lot of our experience in working with different platforms actually helps us with Salesforce, because you have people who just work in Salesforce and that's all they know. And so they look at everything through the lens of how can I solve this from Salesforce, and versus coming in and saying, some parts of this might be great to solve in Salesforce. Some parts of it, we might want to look at another system.
A big part of our work with clients and working with the users is to shadow them. So we get down, we watch them work, we understand the tasks and goals that they're trying to achieve, and we, ultimately use that to influence our solution and how we proceed.
One of my favorite things to see at a client is when you go look at their monitor and you see Post-it notes all around the monitor of all the workarounds that they have to remember, because that's a big opportunity for us to go in and fix all of these workarounds that people have kind of inherited in the system.
All the more reason why these really, really important systems need to be designed in a manner that are fairly intuitive. You can't count on the person next to you to be able to explain to you, like, how do I do this again? I don't understand. Those sorts of workarounds are sort of our bread and butter, uncovering those and resolving them.
It's amazing when you're actually on the ground with people. These are hard jobs. And us making those jobs easier is a real service to them.
No, I think all the things that we just touched on are really a core element to the value that we bring, right? An objective outside point of view that helps folks to essentially untangle to some degree and smooth out and optimize what they already have has proven to be extremely valuable for our customers. And I know it's what excites them time and time again.